Today we're going to be touring our manufacturing facility here in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. This is where we make all our log cabins and homes, like you see here, to ship to our customers, resorts, and also individuals worldwide. So if you're ready to see how old world craftsmanship combines with new world technology, then let's get started.
When Bethlehem Steel left, this place was vacant, but businesses such as Conestoga Log Cabins have moved in and revitalized the area.
This is a model that we put up. We've had a lot of demand from our owners to want to be able to see product and to come and take a plant tour.
Visitors like the fact that the buildings that once housed a bustling steel manufacturer aren't sitting idle.
This used to be an old Bethlehem Steel building. Actually, we have about 100,000 square feet. To put it in terms that you might be more familiar with, that's about 2.5 acres under roof. Really, the starting of our process really begins with our logs. It's one of the foundation points of our system, and one thing that really sets our logs apart is they're laminated. You can see that they're made out of multiple sections. This does a lot of things for us. It allows us to make a straighter, stronger, drier, and even longer log.
We have people that have come in here that used to work for Bethlehem Steel and give us tours of what was happening in here and what used to be used for.
Soon they will see the work of a growing business that now calls the old plant home.